Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of Github, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of your profile picture not displaying on GitHub. Now it will be a possibly a glitch. Now in order to achieve your profile picture again, you just simply need to go to the settings. You can find the settings on the top right corner. When you click your current glitched profile picture, when you go over there, hit settings, and if you when you go to the settings under this section of go to your personal profile, when you go over there, here you can see the details of your GitHub profile. Now here you can change your profile picture. Here whenever you hover your mouse over there, it says change your avatar. Just simply tap over there, and from here you can see you can hit the edit button from here. Once you do that, you can find this option which says upload a photo. Just simply upload whatever photo you want, and now you're done with it. You can add whatever photo you want, and your glitch has been now fixed.
I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.